Hi guys, you are welcome back to Cynthia's kitchen. On today's video, I will be showing you how I prepared this delicious and yummy plantain moi moi, also called Emieki. So guys, I will be showing you the ingredients I used in preparing this delicious meal. So if you don't have any of those, the important thing here is the overripe plantain and palm oil, pepper, salt, and Maggi cube, crayfish, and plantain powder, that is unripe plantain flour. So guys, let's go to Cynthia's kitchen. So what I'm doing now is blending my overripe plantain, my onion, pepper, crayfish, Maggi cube. I just blended everything together so it will be very smooth. So guys, the other step what I'm doing now is mix your plantain flour with water. Mix it very well. So guys, I'll be adding some salt and red palm oil. Important notes: please don't add water if you know you don't like it very soft, because I love it when it's very soft. Some people like it when it's strong, so don't add a lot of water when mixing it when you know you don't like it very soft. So guys, this was the finishing part of my video, and if you like the way I did my recipe, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and if you are also new, don't forget to hit the red button. You can see how it all came out yummy, fluffy and delicious. Thank you guys for staying with me. See you next time. Bye bye.